Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's iPhone tutorial is on how to change your emergency contacts in your iPhone. Please make sure to click the link and subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit richclose.com. All right, we need to go into the Health app on our phone and up into Profiles. Again, that's maybe your initials right next to Summary, but it could be a picture of you. You go into the Profile area and Medical ID. And you can see it lists all the different information here. And we're going to go to Edit and scroll down. You finally get to Emergency Contacts. And you can see I have my spouse listed there, and it pulls in her contact information from the contacts directory. So you can add another person if you so choose. So let's click on the plus there, and it takes you into your contact directory. And again, I'm just going to look for one of my kids. And it prompts you for who it is, son, daughter, spouse. I'll put in son. And again, so now I have two people that are listed under emergency contacts. Again, so if you happen to call emergency SOS, your emergency contact will be notified. This information can also show up on the locked screen for emergency services. And we click done when we're done with that screen. So there you go, how to edit your emergency contact information on the iPhone. Thank you for watching my videos. Again, please click the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.